Now we have learned the basics of HTML, the basics of CSS. Now it comes the JSS part, which is JavaScript. Now what happens is, as I have just let me give you a quick recap. A website is typically been made out of four elements. Number one is HTML, which is your structure of your website. Number two is CSS, that will apply some designing to it. Number three is JavaScript, which will add the functionality to it. So what do I really mean by functionality? Let's understand what is JS, right? So JavaScript is basically a programming language. It creates the structure, see, it controls the design. And what happens, user something, open menus, show pop-ups, validate forms, for example. You don't need to worry about, there is nothing typical about it. We will be learning by examples. So let's see, this is a typical code of a JavaScript example. Hello, on click it will change. Let's see. So it has added some function to it. In button, click me, and then what happens, it automatically changes, it runs a script in the background, and then it changes the appearance of it. Let's run it. Okay, so if I click here, you click the button, right? So this button has some JavaScript properties in it. So let me give you the real life example how you use it. For example, if you are visiting any website, let's say if I go to any website, so this is one of our typical example. So what happens here is there are many options: invoices, quotations, estimates. So if I click on this button, invoice, it's going to take me to different steps. Choose file, company name. Like this is a typical example of any website. You can open menus, you can open quotations, you can make receipts, something like that. So once this function executes, if you click here, preview and download PDF, a button is doing something. This is happening through using JavaScript. Now JavaScript is not the only language. There are many other languages available, but for the basics, JavaScript is one of the most powerful language. It's very simple to learn, and this is a typical code. Let's have another example. Add some other example. Yeah. So one more example. It has. Let's see what it has done. It had added some functions to it. Okay. So let's run it. Change text. Change color. Show time. Hide text. So you're getting something, right? If you press a button, the button executes a command, and then it runs something. So this happens through a programming language. In real life, how happen? For example, if you go to any website, let's say this is a calculator website. In calculator, when you plus 2, the functionality happens, and then you get the result 4. So that 4 comes through a JavaScript. So this was the basic of JavaScript. Stay tuned. We are going to learn next about databases. Thank you for watching.